So one of the things I think is really difficult for people when they're trying to change over their diet is that they may or may not be a super taster. And a super taster is somebody who genetically has just a much stronger taste sensation. People who eat a lot of vegetables are not super tasters usually. People who avoid vegetables are super tasters. So super tasters, in the studies that have been done, are known to eat about 250 servings less per year of vegetables than the rest of the population, than somebody who is not a super taster. So if you are a super taster, you will probably have trouble eating things like Brussels sprouts, which is what I'm making tonight. And you will also have trouble eating things like kale, cauliflower, broccoli, maybe even cabbage, arugula, parsley, cilantro, radishes, any of the things that are a little on the bitter side. And what I would suggest, if you are trying to change over and eat something that's just a little bit more nutritious and add some vegetables, especially into your diet, especially some of these great ones that are so healthy for you in being able to detoxify things in your body, then I would suggest making a really sharp, tangy dressing. This one I'm going to make is with hummus, lemon, garlic, no tahini. It's a no-fat hummus. And I'm going to add to that a little bit of very tangy mustard. This is a wonderful one. And I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. So just keep in mind, if you're a super taster, look for the really tasty, tangy sauces or dressings that you can put on things to make them easier for you to eat. Okay, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.